Hi guys, Alec here, and today it is rumoured that Instagram might soon be releasing a feature allowing voice and video calls between the platform's users. Yesterday, TechCrunch reported that Instagram's Android APKs, application packages, include icons for an interface that would allow audio and video calls. APKs often show files for unreleased features that are lying dormant in an app, waiting to be surfaced when the company is ready to launch them. So it appears Instagram is preparing to launch audio and video calling within its direct messaging system. Back on the 29th of January, TechCrunch reported a video calling feature that was spotted in a non-public version of Instagram by WhatsApp industry blog WA Beta Info. After being asked, a spokesperson for Instagram said, "We don't comment on rumours and speculations." Before this, TechCrunch inquired about a partnership with Giphy for a GIF feature to be introduced to Instagram. The company replied with, "We're always testing new experiences for the Instagram community," and then a week later after that, it launched. So now that the button icons are in the APK, which is publicly available but takes work to decompile and comb through, it's hard for the company to deny the coming launch of a voice and video call feature. So here's my thoughts on this. It feels like Instagram are trying to include as many features as they possibly can to avoid their competitors taking the lead thanks to a specific feature. For an example, they don't want Snapchat to take the lead, who launched this feature back in 2014. One thing that does worry me about this feature is that I don't want anyone to call me just because they can find my public profile. I'm always talking with people in my DMs from all around the world. That doesn't mean I want them to be able to call me. Anyway, on that note, I just wanted to let you guys know about these speculations. I want to know what you think of them. Do you think this feature will be launched anytime soon, and what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching, and to stay updated on all future Instagram news, tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.